This tutorial video explains the audio meters function of CINENORM series monitors. It applies to the BM5 for WR, BM5 for, and BM7 to DS models. First, tap the screen to bring up the menu. Tap the Add button. Select Waveforms. Slide up the menu, and then tap Audio Meters to add and enable this function. Within the Audio Meters, you can adjust for parameters, audio channel, opacity, LR swap position. Tap Audio Channel. You can choose to channel and 8 channel. Tap Opacity to select the 4 options: off, 25%, 50%, and 75%. And you can change the opacity of audio meters as needed. Tap L or swap to switch between left and right channels. Tap Position to customize the position of audio meters on the screen. That's all for the introduction to the audio meters function of CINENORM series monitors.